AMD, baby, my top stock pick for 2025. But let me tell you why. Look, man, I've been following this stock for a long time. I've had money in it on this stock for a long time. I got in around 80 to 80 mark or so, a couple years ago or so. AMD is a very hot stock, man. Listen, it's a chip manufacturer. They make chips for everybody and everything, damn near, for everybody that needs one. I think at the end of the day, man, AMD is a hot stock, man, and you guys should go, pick it up. I'm not making any guarantees or warranties to say, anything's guaranteed, but I tell you this, in my opinion, I think that the stock will be much higher next year, January 2026. Today is January 3rd, I believe, 2025. So I think in a year from now, mark my word, hold me to this, I think that, in a year that this stock will be, it'll probably would have come close to maybe double. I think it's around maybe 130 right now, 140, something like that. I didn't look lately the last few days, but I think it can easily be at 250 by next year. It'll be 250, 300, almost double. So, I mean, you guys got to pay attention to, the environment, not just the real estate market, not just the stock market, but all the markets. You got to pay attention to them, be locked in. Understand that at the end of the day, there's opportunity out there. And the opportunity, you got to seize the opportunity. It's not just because if you got the money or don't got the money or whatnot. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it just comes down to, can you seize the opportunity? It's people with money that think they're seizing opportunities and they lose money every day. And they lose all their money, So you got to know how to seize the opportunity. Opportunities when they come. And if you got the money and you got the actual, education, the skills, because you've actually researched these stocks and looked into them and been following them and kind of understand the CEO, the spreadsheet, all these things you need to understand when you start talking about stocks. You start understanding more about that and you understand what a healthy company looks like. And then, you invest into the long term of that company that you believe is doing great. Now, stocks isn't something that it's not my first way of making money. I don't mess with stocks that often, honestly, because I'm in the real estate guy and I make money a lot quicker and a lot more safer than watching a stock go up and down. It might make money today, might not, all this, you just don't know what the conditions are going to do. With real estate, if the condition changes, my what do I want to call it? Basically, my situation changes, I just go get a different. I use a different lever. I change up what I'm doing. I just use something else. I go to a different strategy is what I'm trying to say. If the real estate market goes down, I just go to a different strategy. With stocks, there's not many other strategies I can go to when the market goes down, rather than just to hold it until it goes back up. And you know how hard that is once the stock goes down to be able to hold the stock, keep the stock. And then once it goes down, not want to reach and hurry up and pull it out because you don't lost money, and you think it's gonna crash now all the way to zero, I guess, but it's not gonna. I don't know why people think that, but that's a good way to lose a lot of money is to pull out when the market goes down. It's the stupidest thing in the world to do. I don't pull out when the market goes down. I double down when the market goes down. Okay, this is all within reason, though, guys. I'm not pushing every dollar I own either. You got to make it. You got to make it a reasonable evaluation of it. Man, look, I wanted to give you guys a quick 4 minutes of AMD being a hot stock. It's what it is I hustle hard as you know what. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, lock in. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you talk to me. Get to know me, meet me. Hey, let's make this thing happen, man. I'm gonna set up a community here through probably school pretty soon, and I'm really gonna try to build this shit out, man. I'm gonna need some of y'all to come along with me and figure it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the way to the light. Hey, man, y'all get with me later, man. Signing out.